everyone, welcome back to my channel. Decided to do like a weekend in my life. I don't even know, just like a work week in my life type of vlog. I want to start doing other types of content and stuff, so I just thought maybe this would be fun. So it's currently Friday today and it's like 6 o'clock. I've been home from work for a couple of hours. My work week is like Friday through Monday, that's like when I work, and then Tuesday through Thursday I'm like in school and stuff like that. Today was my Monday. I have a package back here and I want to open it with you guys. I'm pretty sure it's my Sonny Angel. Oh, it definitely is. Oh my god, I ordered this directly from the Sonny Angel website and I was kind of worried that it wouldn't come because when I put in my email address, I put in like one number was wrong, so I haven't been getting like emails or anything from them, so I was like, if something goes wrong I would have no idea, but it showed up, so I'm really happy. So this is the one that I got. So it's the flower gift ones. Those are all the options. I saw someone doing an unboxing of these on TikTok earlier and they just like squished the box to open it. That's so cool. Oh my god. He's so freaking cute. So I guess it's like the sunflower one. Oh my gosh. This is the other one I have. I got this one off of Amazon. It's like a little monkey. It's gonna live up there. Good morning, guys. It is Saturday today. It's about 8 a.m. right now and it is freezing. There is ice all over my car. I'm trying to defrost it right now. I am also headed to work right now. It is about 1:15 right now. I got off work a couple minutes ago. I got off a lot earlier than I thought I would, but that's okay. I'm driving right now, so maybe I shouldn't be filming myself, but you know, I'm gonna put my phone down actually. A little post-work rant. So if you couldn't tell, I'm a server. I work at a restaurant and there was a party that came in. I want to say it was like 12 of them, and they come in and we set up a whole table for them inside, literally like having to move like 3 tables together in order to accommodate their party. Mind you, while like the hosts and my manager were like putting these tables together, they're just like hovering around and it's like, can you move? Like, I'm trying to put these tables together, they're just like hovering around, and it's like, guys, they were also like going up to the bar and like getting drinks and just like going back and forth and like whatever. And after they set up this whole table, these ladies come up to them and they're like, it's just really loud in here and we're gonna be having a meeting, so can we actually sit outside? After they just watched them put this whole table together. But once again, when they go outside and they start setting up this table outside, they're still just like hovering, and that's like, oh my god. And I have a couple issues. First of all, who comes to a public restaurant to have a meeting? What do you mean? You're concerned because it's too loud in here and we have to be having a meeting. Okay, well maybe you should go somewhere else. Like, this is a public restaurant and it's also Saturday during lunchtime. I don't know what you expect. And also what's funny is once all of them left and went outside, it no longer was loud in the bar. So it's like, it's only loud in here because you guys are in here and you're being loud. So Hey guys, so it is Sunday today and I just got off of work. It's actually only like 11:30. I only worked for like 2.5 hours today. I was just the breaker today, so it was really slow this morning. Of course, the second I leave, it starts to pick up more, but it's fine. It's a lot warmer out today than it was yesterday, so thank God for that because it was freezing. My sock. I've been obsessed with making omelets recently. I don't know why. I just use like a carton of egg whites from like Sam's Club or whatever, and I do a hash brown patty, and then I cut up a little like turkey sausage patty, and then I also do American cheese. I know I've been an American cheese hater for like several years after like growing up hating it, but on certain things it's pretty good. And I get the one that's like lower fat, and then girl, country gravy on top. Okay, like it's so good. I'm obsessed. Amazing. It's so good. I'm a chef, girl. So now it's about 12:15. I'm just gonna eat and hang out. I'm definitely gonna work on my bracelet today because I did not work on a bracelet at all yesterday, and I feel pretty bummed about that because what a waste of a day, girl. We'll definitely work on one today. Good morning, everyone. It's currently 9 a.m. and it is Monday today. Last night I just finished working on my bracelet. I didn't finish it, but this is how much I made so far. I'm like over halfway done, which is awesome. And my boyfriend and I played some games and stuff, so it was a pretty fun night. I also started reading a new book. I literally read like over 160 pages of it. Like, I don't even know, guys. But today is my last day of work, and then I get 3 days off. It is also my spring break for college this week, so I don't have any class or anything, which is like so amazing. I'm so excited. I feel like a lot of people have their spring breaks a lot earlier this year. Honestly, I'm kind of glad I had mine a bit later because now when I come back, there's maybe like 5 weeks left and then we're out for the summer. There's something that I wanted to talk about with you guys. I have some really exciting news. So I'm actually going to be moving. If you guys have been with me for a while, you know that I was actually moved out. I moved out back in 2021, and I was moved out for literally 2 years. I just moved back in with my parents last June of 2023. I don't really talk about it on YouTube, but I'm in community college right now. I've been in community college since 2020. It's taken me forever to get through community college, but finally this semester is my last semester, so I'm so excited to be done. I only have 2 classes this semester, which is super nice. But in the fall, I'm going to be transferring to a state school. I'm going to be going to Sacramento State University, so I'm really excited. And I don't think I've ever said this, but my major is criminal justice. Whenever I say that, people are like, oh, you want to be a lawyer? And I'm like, no. I am not smart enough for that. I don't particularly know what I want to do yet. I'm just really interested in that whole world and the psychology behind things, the forensics behind things, the laws behind things. I just really like all of that stuff. So anyways, so I'm going to be transferring to this college in the fall, and currently from where I'm living, this school is about 45 minutes away, which really isn't that bad. Like, it's really not that far, but I'm going to be doing full time, and I don't know what my schedule is going to look like. Having to drive back and forth to Sacramento 4 to 5 times a week, I don't know, it just doesn't really sound appealing to me. I'm going to be moving closer to Sacramento, and that way I'm closer to the school and everything. I've been moved back with my parents for probably 9 to 10 months already, and for the past probably like 5 to 6 months, I have been itching to move out again, you guys. Like, I miss being moved out on my own. It is really expensive and it can be a little stressful at times, but it is just so freeing. I just miss having my own space, and obviously I have my room here and everything, but when I had like the whole apartment to myself, like, that's so different. Once you get like a taste for like independence and your complete privacy and everything, it's really hard to kind of like revert back to not having that stuff anymore. Obviously I have independence and privacy and stuff here, but it's just not as much as it was when I had my own apartment, you know? It's gonna be happening over the summer at some point, probably more so in like July or August. Definitely want to do some moving vlogs and stuff, so if you guys want to see that, definitely let me know because, well, I'm probably gonna do it anyways, but I just wanted to share that news with you guys. I don't really talk about my personal life that much because that's just not what my content is really about on YouTube, but I don't know, I kind of want to change it a little bit. If you couldn't tell, I've been trying to do other types of content because I feel like my bracelet content, it just is not as popular as it once was, which is totally fair because like it's not really as much of a trend anymore, which, you know, I had a good run. I did have a good run, so it's okay. But I'm just kind of trying to shift my content a little bit and just branch out and do other things to attract like a different type of audience. And it's gonna be a little rough because I know a lot of people aren't gonna want to stay for that, but I don't really care because I really enjoy making these types of videos and posting them. I've been editing this vlog as I've been filming it and I'm like obsessed with how it's turning out. I really love it. Like my eyebrows look bad on camera, but like in my mirror they look fine. So, but I'm gonna finish getting ready here and then make some breakfast and then we're gonna head to work. I probably won't talk to you guys until after work, so I will see you then. Okay, so it is 2:15 right now. I got home a few minutes ago. I was off a little bit earlier, but I got some Taco Bell because I'm sad. I did not make a lot of money today, and the past 2 days as well, I haven't really made a lot of money, so it just kind of sucks. I made under $100 for the last 3 shifts that I've worked, which I'm not trying to sound ungrateful by any means. I am very grateful that I have a job that I can walk out with cash every single day and a job that I truly enjoy, that's really close to where I live. It's literally 5 minutes up the road, but just the last like 3 shifts have been really short shifts for me, so I have been getting sent home before I can really have a lot of tables to where I can actually make something decent. It just kind of sucks, you know? I have bills to pay, I have a car to pay off, and it's just really hard when I'm not really making a ton. So this is my budget binder. I have a little budget binder where I separate my cash into different little folders and stuff. I'm sure you guys have seen this. I've been doing this for about 3 years now. So I'm gonna just stuff it with you guys real fast. I've changed the way I stuff it a lot recently because I am in like money saving mode. As I said earlier today, I am moving out over the summer, so I really want to get my car paid off. If you guys know, I bought a new car back in October and I'm trying to pay it off. Right now I have less than $10,000 left to pay off. I would like to hopefully pay off like half of that by the summer, so we'll see if I can do it, but majority of my money just goes straight to my savings. So we have $380 in cash to work with for the week. That's how much I made this week as a server, which is a lot of money. It really is. It truly is. That $380 for a week of work, that's pretty good. It's just less than what I'm used to making is all. So first and foremost, I'm gonna take $100 and put this into my bills folder. I save $100 a week for my bills, which comes out to about $400 for the month. That's pretty much how much all my bills combined are. That is my car insurance, my Wi-Fi, I have my own personal router because I'm extra, and also my storage unit. And then pretty much the rest I will divvy up between putting it in my savings folder and then depositing this money into my checking account, which I will then transfer it to my loan account, if that makes sense, to pay off my car. I'm gonna just be putting $100 in my savings envelope. I saved $300 last week because I made a lot last week, so only putting $100 in this week is fine, I think. I'm going to be saving this money to deposit into my account. So this is $140. And then this money, so this is about 40 bucks. So this will just be in my wallet. So I just have some cash for the week if I need to do any shopping or errands or whatever. I like to have cash sometimes because we all know when you pay in cash, it was free because your balance doesn't change in your account. So anyways, that's just kind of how I organize my money, and I have a very specific system on how I do things. I won't get too into it unless you guys are interested, but I think I'm actually gonna go ahead and close out this vlog here. I really hope you guys enjoyed this. I really had fun filming this and I loved editing everything as well. I thought it was so much fun and I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you want me to do more vlogs, definitely let me know and I can definitely do that. But I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you later. Bye.